In a dense forest, there stood a mighty oak tree named Oliver. Unlike other trees, Oliver had a peculiar ability. He could feel the pain of the creatures living in the forest. Birds, rabbits, and squirrels sought refuge in his vast branches, for they knew Oliver would protect them. One day, a woodcutter arrived with a sharp axe, intending to cut down Oliver. As the woodcutter raised his axe, Oliver shivered, but he didn't resist. Instead, he spoke softly, asking why the man sought to harm him. The woodcutter, taken aback by the talking tree, revealed his plight. He was desperate to provide for his hungry family and had no choice. Touched by the man's desperation, Oliver proposed a solution. He offered branches for firewood, acorns for food, and shade for rest, without harming himself. Grateful, the woodcutter accepted the tree's generosity, and word of Oliver's kindness spread through the forest. In time, animals and humans alike learned the value of compassion, and the forest flourished as a haven of harmony. The story teaches us that kindness and understanding can transform even the direst situations into opportunities for goodwill and cooperation.